January 28th of 2020, when Letitia picked him up from the airport, she picked him up in a rental car. And she tells him that the reason for this is that the mileage on her car is almost to the point where she'd have to go renew her lease. And she also tells him that she left her car in the parking lot of an elementary school. And this story is even odd to Al, so later on he takes his own car and he drives to the elementary school that she claimed her car was at, and he saw that it was not there. Now on January 29th, Letitia had an interview with authorities, but she showed up 2 hours late. It turns out that she was getting her actual car washed. Her car was seized as evidence that very same day. But when she arrived, she came prepared with her first fake story. She supposedly met a man named Eduardo. And apparently that night of January 26th of 2020, that day that she took the kids on the hike, she blamed Gannon for dropping candle wax and burning the floor. And she apparently met Eduardo to fix the floor because it was burnt. But she said that when Eduardo arrived to the house, he was armed and he sexually assaulted her in the basement and then kidnapped Gannon. But then despite sharing all of this with authorities, she said that she did not want anyone to go and find Eduardo. And the authorities